In this video, I am using a TC701. The process is the same for the TC501. Ensure the device is powered off. Place the device face down in the workspace. Push both battery latches inward. While gripping the battery latches, lift the battery out of the device. If installed, remove the SIM SD card locking screw. Use a plastic spudger to remove the SIM SD card drawer from the device. Place the SIM card into the card holder with the contacts facing up. Push the SIM SD card drawer in and it will lock into place. Insert the battery, bottom first, into the battery compartment in the back of the device. Rotate the top of the battery into the battery compartment. Press the battery down into the battery compartment until the battery release latches click into place.